Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn some frequently used VS Code shortcuts that will increase your productivity. Let's make a new SQL file here in this.html. So the very first one is Shift plus 1. When it over, click on it. This is for basic HTML boilerplate. Now if you want to zoom it, then Ctrl plus equal, and for zoom out, Ctrl plus minus. Now if you want to increase the font size, then press Ctrl Shift plus P, then search here zoom in. This will increase the font size, and same if you want to again do it, and same for zoom out. Search here for zoom out. This will do zoom out for you. Now write some code to perform the operations. Now if you want to copy or duplicate this line, then press Shift, Alt and down arrow key. Now to select the code one line up, then Shift plus up arrow key. This will select all. Now to select the code one line down, then Shift plus down arrow key. This will select in the down. Now make a #2 arrow. Now if you want to move this line, then Alt plus up arrow key for moving it to up, and down arrow key for moving it down. Now to delete a line, Ctrl Shift plus K. This will delete the whole line. Again Ctrl Shift plus K. Now to insert the cursor in multiple places, for example this, then Alt plus click and click here. Now we can change it in the same time. #2 #3. Now some Emmets. Now if you want 3 list tags, then li into 3. Now if you want a div tag with class of container, then dot container and hit enter. Now we want list tag with class of list, so let's make it li into 3 dot list. Hit enter. This will make it for us. To select the whole line, Ctrl plus L. This is it for this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.